I got my screen printer from Amazon with the tools, accessories I'll need with it. Alright, so here we go with all the pieces, palette, this. Okay, so I got my press all set up. Actually, my husband helped me set it up. It's from Amazon, so just a cheap one from Amazon. And he just watched a couple YouTube videos on how to set it up. And then I went on there to try to figure out how to make the screen. Been looking at some tutorials on YouTube. So then I got this transparency made at the store. And so today I'll be trying to use my materials to make my screen. First time trying to do that, so we'll see. So here is my first attempt at making a screen ever. I'm actually pretty happy with it because you can see the design. There's a bit of a mess up here. There was some bubbles, but you can see the design and it didn't all wash off and it also didn't all get stuck. So a good medium in time, but need to improve on that. I'm still gonna do some test prints with that just to test my press and get the feel of it, and then I'll try to make a better one. But I'm really happy with how my first attempt came out. Okay, I forgot to video my very first one, but I had put that in there. And my very first one came out like this. A little too thick there, looking really good there. Had some misses. So this is the second screen I made. Overall, it looks better than the first. There's this situation. So I'm gonna try to put a piece of tape over it and still see how this one comes out. So my screen printer, it's not even with the board, so it's not giving a good, when I do this, there's too much space in the bottom half and it's messing up my print. So I'm just putting the screen right, I'm using the tabletop of the press, but I'm just using, just placing the screen right on it, and then I'm going to do it. This is the more do-it-yourself method. So this, you know, I got the cheapest press from Amazon, and so it's probably not the best one. The alignment is off, and so I'm just kind of doing the more do-it-yourself method to see how it comes out. So far, it's been better than trying to use the press, like this top part of it. So yeah, so I think just the top of my screen, I think the way I made it is a little, like I have to make the actual screen a little better, but this is coming out way better. It was messing up before. So I'll probably need to remake the screen and get that, you know, outer circle part more even. So this is how my favorite one came out. So a little bit missing on the screen, still getting better at those, but I really like this loose splatter effect I then put with it, and I really like this.